Welcome back to the JFA channel. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. And today, I got one that's going to boil your blood. This one comes to you from the YouTube channel, Man Audits. This man reached out to me. He emailed me for help, and I said, hell yeah. Without a doubt, guys, all day I will help him because this needs to be exposed as much as possible. He walked into the Illinois State Police Department to simply file a couple of complaints and document his visit there. But you know what? They were not too happy. What's new in America, right? I don't want to spoil it too much for you guys. I want to get with the video. So make sure you click the link down below after you see this video to Man Audits' channel. Subscribe. Let him know JFA sent you. He's going to need all the help he can get, guys. And let him know what such a great job he did in this video. Now, with that being said, pop your popcorns and roll one up.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today you're going to see just what a class act Master Sergeant Neil Lohman, badge number 5022 is. Now, before we get into this video, I want to take you back 2 days before this. When I first met Master Sergeant Neil Lohman, I was doing a First Amendment audit at the Centralia Correctional Center. Now, I haven't released that video yet because I'm still waiting on some material from my public records requests, but check out this clip real quick. Do you mind if I get your name and badge number and rank? Master Sergeant
5384.
All right,
Since we're doing that, I need to see some IDs. So here's the deal, guys.
For what?
Just listen to me real quick. Okay. This sign here says that you're subject to search anywhere on the grounds. All right. Me asking you for your ID is not a search. It's protected by the Constitution and by court case. Okay. It is protected.
Reasonable,
by court case.
articulable suspicion of a crime.
I have reasonable, articulable suspicion, and I can ask you for your IDs, okay? Because you're on private property, you've been asked to leave. Okay. So, I suggest you could either go across the road here, or you can get back to your vehicle.
Now that, my friend, is a real true definition and a perfect example of a bozo with a badge.
We are obviously back here at the Illinois State Police Troop 8, Collinsville, Illinois headquarters. We're here to file our complaint from the unlawful detention, Fourth Amendment violation, and charged with a crime last night. We're here to file a complaint on the officer that left his door open. Hi, I'm trying to get 2 complaint forms, please.
For what?
For officers.
A complaint form?
Yes, sir.
That's all done online.
Is there no way that I can do it in person here?
Buddy, hey, how you doing, buddy?
It's a great one.
Oh, congrats. Recording again, buddy?
I'm sorry?
Recording again, buddy?
Yeah, of course I am. Are you triggered again, buddy?
Now, just by the way that little man cop started the encounter through that window, this isn't gonna go well.
Wow.
How can I help you, Matthew?
Complaint forms, please.
Complaint form? How many
sir.
do you need?
2 of them at least.
You need 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
At this moment, too.
Okay, at this moment.
Yes, sir.
So what does that mean?
Could be more. Later on in the future.
Okay.
Could be. But as of right now, just 2.
So,
2 will suffice.
What is your goal with this?
With what?
This.
I'm not going to answer any questions, too, sir. My First Amendment crap?
Yes.
And you're a master sergeant with the state police.
I am.
And you call it First Amendment crap?
The stuff you're doing, yes.
What did I do?
Okay. Go get a job, is what I'm telling you to do first of all, okay?
Yeah.
There it is right there, guys. Sorry, I had to pause it again real quick because this bozo is a sergeant. This is why they earned the hate, guys, right here. This is unacceptable behavior. He had no business telling this man to get a job or even saying that the Constitution is crap. These are your servants, people.
How about you respect the Constitution,
I do
sir?
respect the Constitution.
You just called it First Amendment crap.
I'm a First Amendment
No, you're not.
absolutist.
You're a liar.
But what you're doing is
An
you're trying to
absolutist?
bait people.
I'm trying to bait people? Well, don't bite
Yes.
the bait. You ever been fishing, sir?
Well, why don't you go do something worthwhile?
You ever been fishing, sir?
Yeah, I have been.
If the fish don't want to bite, they're not going to bite. Complaint forms, please. I'll make that 3 of them. Master Sergeant Loman.
Here are your complaint forms.
You get me
Is there
3 of them?
anything? Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Not at the
Matthew
moment.
Chumley?
Not at the moment. Do you think that bothers me?
Huh?
Do you think that bothers me?
Dude, just
Super
leave.
Trooper?
Right now,
What am I
you're
doing?
about to be arrested for disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct? What did I do? You
Leave.
came out here starting shit with me.
Leave. Oh, congrats. Recording again, buddy?
I'm sorry?
Recording again, buddy?
Yeah, of course I am. Are you triggered again, buddy? Me.
Leave right now.
Am I going to be arrested if I do not leave?
Leave.
Am I going to
right
be
now.
arrested if I
Listen,
don't leave, sir?
You will be if you disrupt anything that's going on
You
here.
came out here to talk
Listen,
shit to me,
hey,
dude.
you came
out
here to
talk
start shit,
No, I came
okay?
here to fill out a complaint.
Now
form.
leave. You have
Okay.
them. Now leave.
Can I fill it out here, please?
Nope.
Can I get a pen? I'm here to fill out a complaint form peacefully.
You have to go get it notarized anyways, and there's not a notary here.
I would like to fill it out here, sir.
Good for you. You want to come in and have a seat?
May I?
Yeah, you may. Do not disrupt anything here.
I didn't even... You're
If
the one
you-
that started with me.
Don't point your finger at
I'll
me.
point my
If-
finger anywhere I
if
want.
you
You're the one that
disrupt
started with
anything
me.
in here-
Is your body camera rolling?
Yeah, it is. If
Is
you
it
disrupt
muted?
anything in here,
Who are you yelling
Listen.
at? Who are you yelling
will you
at?
stop talking for 1 second?
No, I'm not going to.
If you
Can please
disrupt
back up? I
anything
didn't
in
even do
here,
anything. I
if
came
you
here to fill out
disrupt
a
anything
complaint
in here,
form,
you will
sir.
be arrested for disorderly conduct. Do you understand
Sir, I
it?
didn't do anything.
Do you
I didn't do
understand
anything.
that?
Who are you yelling at right now? I didn't even do anything. You came out here.
Have a seat if you want to
No,
fill it out
I don't.
here.
I don't feel safe going in there
Good,
with you.
then leave.
I'll take a pen, sir. I'll take a pen.
Are you going to keep doing this?
Keep doing what?
What you're
Exercising
doing.
my constitutional rights. Can you please back out of my face? Look at me. I'm in a corner, sir. I'm
Oh,
in a corner. Can you please back away? You are unhinged.
you're unhinged coming here trying to start crap.
No, I'm here to file a complaint.
Then file it and leave.
Then leave me alone. Yeah. My God. Are you serious?
You disrupt anything, you are going to jail for disorderly conduct. But fill your forms and leave.
You're the one that came out here to me. You're the one that came out here to me, dude. You thought you were hot shit. You thought you were hot shit a minute ago. I didn't even do anything. Because you're a fucking tyrant, dude. You're a loose cannon.
Now this is the part that even boils my blood even more, when you had that little man with a badge to try to intimidate our Man Audits and to violate his rights.
Something wrong? Can I help you with something?
Just being aware of my surroundings, sir, that's
Okay.
all.
Hey, do you have any weapons on you?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
Do you have any weapons on you? This is a secure facility.
I'm not answering any questions.
I see the sign there? You have to answer.
I don't have to
It's
answer
a state
anything.
law. Do you have any weapons on you or not?
I'm not answering any questions, sir. Is your body camera on still?
Yes, it is. Because in your video last night, your live feed, you mentioned something about the Second Amendment. You're not taking my gun.
Let's take a look at the clip this moron is misquoting. We do also exercise our Second Amendment. Where we're lawfully able to, we absolutely do that.
Yeah.
This was in reply to somebody's comment on my live stream. And notice how I said, where I'm lawfully able to. I never said that. I never said you're not
Do
taking my
you
gun. I'm not
have any
answering
weapons
any
on?
questions, sir.
All right, I'm going to pat you down for weapons.
What reasonable suspicion?
Because you have a
do
bulge right here in your front pocket.
No, I don't.
And right here. Yep, right there. The sign here says no weapons past this point.
I do not consent to any searches or seizures. I do not consent to any searches or seizures. It's a flashlight.
Don't worry, I have reasonable articulable suspicion.
No, you don't. You don't even know the law.
Is that wallet?
I'm not answering any questions, sir. Notice how I'm on my knees and I'm still almost up to his shoulder. I think I know why little man is so angry all the time.
All right.
Are you satisfied?
Yeah, I am. Thank you. At least you parked in the visitor parking today.
You guys see this? So I'm just gonna return that. Like, do these have to be notarized? These are officer complaint.
I'll let you know in 1 second, okay?
Right, yeah.
Who did you get this from?
Uh,
Just one of the people in there?
yeah, Master Sergeant Lohman.
All right.
Yep. So that was a different trooper. I'm gonna flip it around now, but
It doesn't have to be. It's up to you whether you notarized or not.
is it so it won't affect like the investigation or the outcome whether it is notarized or not?
No.
Because I understand it's like a sworn affidavit, right?
Yeah, because if you've done it online, it's the exact same thing. It will be notarized online because you're just doing it
Okay.
online. So.
All right. Well, so there's 3 of them there, but I only filled out 2 because one of them is basically the same incident.
If there's 3 of them there, they're going to want you to fill out all 3 of them.
Well, but it was for 3 different
Well, here
officers.
it's out there. Oh, you do right here.
No, I'm fine.
Oh, all right.
We had a run in a few minutes ago, and it's not you, but I don't feel safe behind.
Hey, I
people,
understand.
so.
I understand. If it's 3 incidents, they're going to want you to do it 3 times. So you have to do it all over. So I would recommend 2 things. You can.
Well, there's just 2 incidents, so that one's just completely blank. It's unnecessary for me. I didn't know that at the time when I asked for it. Is all.
Hold on 1 second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Appreciate it. Thanks. Take care.
So I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
So you said you don't need this at all?
No, yeah, I didn't know that at the moment. So the just 2 incidents is all we need.
All right, cool. Well, thank you. Oh, I'm gonna double check and make sure that you don't need to turn this in personally. Did you get copies of these or something? Because I don't want you.
No, well, I've got a video of them.
All
If
right.
I could get a copy for my record, that'd be great. But if not,
Videos about everything. I'll make sure that you don't have to turn them in yourself, so I'll let you know in a second, all right?
okay, yeah, I'll wait around. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. We can turn it in, but our Department of Internal Investigations, they won't be in until Tuesday.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'm just, turning it in now. And did I write down a phone number on there?
No, that I do not. I think that is. This number, is that the correct number?
Yep. Do I need to write them down on both, or should they be the same?
Unless you got a twin.
No. Yep. Okay. So, yeah. I mean, if you need to contact me, everybody should know my information by
All right,
now.
cool,
And, yeah, I appreciate it.
No problem, man. Good luck. They tell you all the rules and regulations about all that stuff. I just got caught up to speed. Like, you can come here, you can stay here all day long. You do not have to leave at all. I'm the evening supervisor, so I'm not day shift there all day shift. So, but once I leave at 6, you can't actually be here only because our telecommunications are back out the glass off. But you can stay out here all day long while I'm here. You ain't gotta leave at all.
Okay.
You can stay in the parking lot all day long. You just can't go in the back.
But I mean, that's okay.
You can stay in the parking lot all day long. You just can't go in the back because that's where sensitive material stuff is. So.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, the only deal was it's not marked.
Oh.
You see, if you look, the visitor parking actually leads you back there. But I mean, we got to go to court for that now. So it's a whole different.
I'm not here for none of that part,
No,
man.
you're good.
All
You're
right,
good.
so all right.
Yeah.
I was letting you know, man. Good luck, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you. My name's Matt. By the way.
Nice to meet you, man.
Now, there is more to this story. I'm going to show you a quick clip of the reason why Man Audits was filing complaints at this department right now. This happened the night before. Check out this quick clip.
Orders here in Collinsville, Illinois. We pull up to the visitor parking and a state police has their vehicle open and it's unattended. We've been out here for about 5 minutes. You can't see it on the screen, huh? Got a little company. Oh no, I don't need any help. Thank you though.
Are you breaking into this car?
No, I didn't do that. Downey, is that your last name? What's your rank?
Why is the car door open?
It was open when I got here, sir. The whole thing's on video. I'm just gonna step back. I don't I did not open that. It's been open the whole time. I got the whole thing on video. I think whoever left it open can attest to leaving it open, but that was not me.
Now there is a lot more to that interaction. I'll make sure to drop the full video to that also in the description below. I highly recommend you go check out that video. Now you can see the reason why he was filing complaints in today's video. Now I highly recommend this channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Go subscribe and let them know I sent you. We'll see you on the next video and in the comment section. Everybody have a blessed